begins on this business in 2016 in a small city located in Wong, Johor. Basically, we are the first and the only manufacturer who produced this tabletop, which is we actually patented for our rough surface tabletop. We exported to US. Basically, we exported to worldwide. So the main market is US.
The main feature of this design is that the users can turn their bodies without hitting the table legs. This is very useful for the elderly. The elderly can lift the table without the need of shuffling their chairs, and hence reducing their risk of falling down from the chairs and sustaining injuries.
I think the biggest challenges between manufacturer and designer is our aim on market is totally different. The designer, they would prefer to aim like a very unique design piece. We aim to have a product that is adopted by the market and to produce in bulk. So I think the different angle, we have different perspective.
I think the challenge, one of the challenge is to invite them to come up from their existing way of operation to try out new idea and new way of working.